Hello guys out there, this is George and we are going to be reviewing FLIIK. This is a demonstration of how FLIIK works, what it is, what it can do for you, how you use it, and if you decide to use it, can you make any money with it? That's always the question. And I always like to know how easy is it to use and can I actually learn it? Because I'm not always the smartest tool in the shed. Now, we are here looking at the inside of the FLIIK here. This is the dashboard. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I'm going to be going over some bonuses here that are going to help you use FLIIK a little bit easier, make it faster for you to make money and make just more money in general. And I'm doing that by providing some bonuses. Now, if you're on YouTube and you're watching this, click on the link below in the description. There's a bonus page there. Click on that and that will take you over to a page that looks like this. And from there, then let's just kind of pick up into it. This is George's bonus insane bundle here. And what is FLIIK all about? FLIIK is it's a software. Let me go down here. This explains a little bit better. It's a cloud-based, self-contained income system unlike anything else. And it takes a proven formula, it automates it to generate income from other people's products. So what does that mean? Let's say that we're going to take two different products. We're going to take an iPhone and we're going to take a Samsung cell phone, that is, and we want to compare them. Now, people are comparing these things all the time when they're going to YouTube, they're going to Google, they're looking for reviews. So how does this work for you? Well, with FLIIK software here, what you're going to be able to do is pick a couple of different products. Let's say the iPhone and then another, a Samsung. And you get those, you put the two together in the FLIIK software, it generates a video for you. And then the video, you go and you upload it. Now, people are already searching for review videos. You searched for this review video here about FLIIK. So imagine all the people who are not marketers, they're just looking for a camera, they're looking for a phone, they're looking for a barbecue, they're looking for some Christmas presents, they're looking for a new computer or something hot. And so what FLIIK does, it enables you as the marketer to pull a couple different products, put them together in the FLIIK software, it does its job, and then it gets uploaded to YouTube or wherever, Google, wherever you want to put it. And this comparison is from Amazon, it's from eBay, ClickBank products, all that stuff on there. And then what happens is people go and they see a review, they will find a review because there's SEO, all that stuff is all built in. They click on yours and they see the different review with the prices from Amazon and from eBay, and if they decide to click on your product, on your link, you are integrated and you get paid from those companies like Amazon and eBay. This is really kind of cool. This is really kind of cool here. And what does this stuff cost? Well, it starts at $17, and then there are some upsells, $47, $67, and so forth. So what do you get for 17 bucks? You get the powerful software and all the training modules. The first upsell here is you get unlimited keyword and product searches. The compare, so what this does is this enables you to fully expand on the comparison, and it does more for you. Over here now, the second one or the third one is you can add pixels. That's right, you know about pixels. If you don't know about pixels, that is when somebody is a buyer and they got a credit card and they're interested in looking at an iPhone, then that particular profile, that person, the software, that person has a pixel, it goes in your pixel, and the software finds more people that have a credit card that are looking for those type of items, and it shows your videos, your services to those people, to those same types of people. That's what a pixel does. Upsell number 4, agency. That way you can resell it and, you know, the done for you suite and all that kind of stuff. And over here, the 1000 week version 3 for 127. So what that is there are tutorials with done for you products, which means that there's products that are already done in there for you. It's just kind of boom, boom, bam, and you keep on going. So some key benefits here is, let me go back here. I've got a new mouse. It's a unique revenue generating application, cloud-based, 3 simple steps. Automatically compares. Yes, it does. And people are shopping 24/7. Hijack commission. So the funny thing about this is it's that last click link. So if someone is going around there and they're looking at, they go look at an Amazon at a review of an iPhone 12 or the new iPhone, whatever it might be, and then they go and then all of a sudden your view comes up or your video comes up, and because you're comparing some different products, they say, ooh, okay, I'm going to buy it right now. They click on your link. You get the hijacked commission. That's right. Works both on physical and digital products. Instant traffic. It's ethical, dude. This is ethical because it's just the way that is. It's ethical. You're just doing reviews. You're not stealing anything. You're putting stuff up on YouTube, on Google. So here is a quick video I'm going to play for you on how this works.
Because it enables them to actually generate sales, affiliate commissions, without pushing people to purchase anything. And of course, in order for people to get paid, then obviously customers do need to actually buy something. But what we've done here is we've built a comparison system. What I mean by that is you can compare 2 to 3 products inside of one video, and the app collects all of the data for you. Now, as well as the comparison videos, FLIIK also builds a corresponding landing page. So that's a landing page based on the video, the comparison video. It auto-populates the whole thing and it hosts it for the user. So the user will have a comparison video. They can make sales from that. The link can link directly to the corresponding landing pages where the user can make the sales. But ultimately, this is about generating profits by offering choices. It's a very clever system, pretty much does everything for the user, so there's very little for the user to actually do. So please mark down October the 29th.
So if you like this video, in the description of the YouTube video, you can click on the bonuses and you'll get this bonus page, and this video is here again for you. So moving down here, so now here's what I did is I put some bonuses together for you because getting FLIIK and getting it up and running, I want to help you guys do this quicker, make more money, and be easier. All right, I want to make sure you cover all your bases because whenever I get a new software, I'm always needing some help from this and that. And I always looking around and trying to pull, what else have I got that'll help me out? Stealth. This is an advanced hack that is going to give you strategies on how to promote your videos that you're making these comparisons. So the next bonus here is email marketing tips so you get higher conversion. Now, assuming you already have an email list and you'll be sending these comparison videos out, or maybe you even want to resell FLIIK, this marketing tips is going to help you do that. The next one, bonus number 3, is building up your Facebook following in your profile because, again, hey, you want to show, hey, look at what I just found, comparison on these couple different products, check it out, and bam. Or use your Facebook following, because if you're a marketer, everyone's following you, they're a marketer, share this with them. Bonus number 4 is from zero to hero. This is the basics on how to get started in marketing. Number 5 here is all of the special bonuses that the vendor is going to give you. Of course, you're going to get all those. That was bonus number 5. Bonus number 6, it's not listed here, but I'm going to give it to you. If you click in the YouTube description, it says traffic secrets. You can have that bonus without having to buy anything. All right, so this is going to be delivered through Warrior Plus, and you just click on your account, and then you access your product, and you click on the little blue link right here, and you will get all of these bonuses. So let's take a quick look at the front end sales, the sales page. Another good video. This is actually a very good video here. I'm not going to play it for you. You can look at that in your own time. But I got to tell you, a lot of sales videos that I've seen, they don't tell you what is going on. They don't tell you what it's all about. And so that's why I always like to, what is it? This is software that puts comparison products together in a video, puts them out there, high rank it, and when people click on the video, you get the affiliate commission based on Amazon, eBay, ClickBank, wherever it might be. Here, right? You compare products, create your video, and then get target traffic. All right, that's how this works. Does it work? Yes. Here's a sample: Canon versus Nikon. Boom, 1.3 million views. Don't you think that a comparison video from you might show up, especially if you've got a few techniques on how to market? Absolutely. iPhone 11 versus the 12, 743,000. All right. The GoPro 9 versus the 8. Is it worth the upgrade? Bam. You see how these things work? All right. So now let's go ahead and take a look in the inside of this. I've got another video, which I always like tutorials. So I'm going to click on, and what I did is creating a campaign. I've got a little bit of a video. Let's go ahead and watch that, and we'll be right back.
On your dashboard, you will see here, create campaign. So click on that, type a campaign name, and then click on create. Now you'll be given here an option to compare products or ClickBank products. Let's do comparing products first. So just type in the keyword. Let's say you are going for gaming consoles like Nintendo Switch. So it would give you search results right here. So if you have the Amazon account, so it will show you Amazon listings. It will also give you here eBay products available. So you have the pages right here. You can just browse. And then also up here, you can see your competition analysis. So you'll see how many searches does it have, how many people have searched it on YouTube, and if the video is on top 10. So when comparing products, let's say we're going to compare this with PlayStation 4. So let's just wait. You will see here the following. So Google competition, YouTube competition, if the video is on top 10. So you will see here Amazon and eBay listings. Right, so in there you will see the PlayStation, and then you can also see here the Nintendo Switch. Right, let's say I'm going to choose only 2 products to compare. Let's go with this one. Just click on the plus sign so that you can add that on the video. Right, so you will be seeing it here: the product name, product image, price, platform. And remember to choose product listings that has an image, so it would not affect your video campaign. And then for the PlayStation, let's say we're going to choose this one. You can also check the products. Click here, it goes to the link directly to the product in Amazon. So if you're going to choose products on eBay, you can just simply click here to check the listings. And then you'll notice it would have, again, the images, price, review count means how many people have searched on that particular product. So the higher it is, it means the higher people would have up to check out that product. So again, the link to check the product on eBay itself. And then here on the plus sign, you can just click that to add into your video campaign. So let's say we're going to focus on these 2 products. And then once you're done selecting the product that you want to create the video with, you can just click here on proceed video. Right, so it may take about 2 to 3 minutes to create the slides. Now in here, you will see the video options that you might want to edit. Let's go and check this first for the header. Let's say we're going to make a video about the top gaming consoles. Right, you can also choose here your background color, and then the text color, shades color, and then the font. Right, and also the font size. If you want to make it smaller or bigger, it's up to you. And then don't forget to click on apply changes. So first, this one, let's say you have an intro in this video.
All right, so welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that video. Now again, if you like this FLIIK, if you like what these guys have put together, in the bottom of the YouTube description there is a link for the bonus crate. Click on that. You'll come to this bonus page, and then click on any of these purple boxes here that you see, and you will be taken to the sales page, which is this right here, and then you can click on this and get instant access. So again, if this is something you're interested in getting, I'm actually thinking of this myself because, hey, this is October. It's going to be November right around the corner. Holiday shopping all over the world. This is the time to get involved in something like this. And there's no sales. You don't need to be on camera. You don't need to say anything. So anyways, I hope that this video has made you well. I hope that I answered what it is, how does it work, and can you make any money? So I hope I answered all those for you. Now you guys go out there, go make some money. Bam!